In this video, I will show you how to check battery health in laptop on Windows 10 or 11. To get started, go ahead and head over into your Start menu and search for CMD. Now on the search results, you'll be able to find command prompt. So right click on it and click on that Run as Administrator. Now once you have opened command prompt, go ahead and enter this text into your command prompt such as our CFD/battery report. Now a link will be given to you. Copy the link that was given to you by your command prompt and go ahead and open that into your browser. And in here, you'll be able to find your laptop's battery health along with the battery report that you can find into this section. So as you can see in here, you'll be able to find your installed batteries, your recent usage for your laptop, and so much more that concerns your battery usage. And that is how you can basically check battery health and laptop on Windows 10 or 11. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to give this video a like, subscribe to the channel, and hit that notification bell to keep updated with our latest videos.